See that bumper? This guy right here. I'm taking that off. In. First pull the lever. Come listen to my podcast. Then push the lever. You gotta put that in the hole. So here's what we see so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push pins. Center pops out as typical. And I also see here this little guide right here. So we also have more push pins over here. And let's go see what's on the bottom, because I'm assuming this pops away from the bumper. So let's get some tools. Alright, so this release is actually a 2-stage. Kind of stupid, but you gotta push both of these. You see how there's a squeeze on both sides, and this kind of silly. So that's what you gotta do. Push that down, push this over, and squeeze them. So let's see if this will work better. Way better. So what you're doing is you're squeezing these down like this. See from the side? Squeezing them down, and this just releases. So let's keep going. Let's get the other push pins out. Get these guys. See what happens. So before we take out all the 152 Torx, or maybe just pushes, we got Torx here. Take this 10 mil out. This 10 mil is relieving the pressure of the wheel cover thingy. And what we see is that little tab has to be pushed in. I don't know if you can see it. So I'll get it out and show you. Alright, so from this side, I got this tool. This hook. I pulled this out toward me, and then you change, which is idiotic. So you got this one, you gotta push. So this one, you gotta push. But if you gently, you see, it'll come apart. This we gotta take back out so we can put it back properly. See, there's another one right there. Little white clip. Alright, so you got the white clips back out. With this guy, came from under and popped them out. You see, you want to retrieve them so this can go back nice and smooth, or nice and even, either way. You got that one 10 mil right there. So let's continue. Another 10 mil right here. And there was another push pin I didn't show you over here. There's a third one that hides up here that relieves the pressure from, you see? We can probably pop that one out too to really get in here. But you could probably just twist this. You got a drill in there. So you got plenty of workable room. Let's get the bottom. So now with this side, same thing. You see? Just enough. Now we gotta get Torx. That's what it looks like. You got there, probably some 20s. These are pushes, so let's get them out. Now, these tend to be difficult because they get all the grime and the dirt from road. So we got, so far, the pushes, and these were, yes, T20s. And just high enough so you can get your drill in here. This is, where you at, buddy? Where you at? Is that a T20 right there? Yeah, it's T20. So, let's continue the journey and see what else. We got another one there, another one up there. So let's get these ass out. Alright, so that one can stay. This one needs to pop out, and the bumper comes out towards you. And she's already coming. She's already starting. So let's go get the other side. Alright, so 4 Torx are out. Last push pin. We got the 110 mil out. And you see how the bumper sort of sits around this little, I'll show you, it pops out. You see? You see? Now with 2 hands, let's get this guy ready so we don't scratch him. Let's see what happens. Hey, look, we found a friend. So let's get this guy up out of our way, and there you go. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.